Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Land Rover Defender with cardboard, updated. Start by laying out your plan and cutting templates that match the real vehicle proportions. Use corrugated cardboard for structural panels and thin cardstock for detail, and prioritize safety with gloves and a stable cutting mat. Work in stages. Build the chassis, then the body, and finally add trim and paint for realistic texture and color. Take your time and test fit pieces often. In this video, I will show how to make Land Rover Defender with cardboard, updated. Create a strong chassis by laminating cardboard layers and reinforcing stress points where wheels attach. Mark axle positions precisely and use dowels or skewers for axles, checking alignment often. Add internal braces across the chassis to prevent twisting during handling. Keep glue sets dry between steps so angles stay true. A solid base makes the rest of the model easier and more. In this video, I will show how to make Land Rover Defender with cardboard, updated. Use templates to cut the body panels and score folding lines for neat bends that mimic real sheet metal. Attach panels to the chassis gradually, checking panel gaps and symmetry as you go. Layer thin strips for door seams and use textured paint to suggest metal and rubber parts. Finish with headlights and grille details to capture the Defender look without heavy tools or complex molds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.